Hi, in this video we will see the solved questions of PPSC 2022 and we will see from 1 to 20 questions. So here the first question is here which says that who was the father of a set theory. Then everyone know that the father of set theory was George Cantor. So the solution for this question is George Cantor. The second is nth differences of n order polynomial is, and everyone we know that when we take the difference of polynomial we will get again a polynomial. So nth difference of n order polynomial will again be the polynomial. So answer for this will be the C option. So the next question is that Laplace transform of 1 is what? So from the table we can see that the Laplace transform of 1 is 1 over s. So answer is 1 over s. And the fourth question says that what is the Laplace transform of the C? And as we know that the Laplace transform satisfies the property that this is a linear, which means that the Laplace of C f of x plus dg of x will be equals to C Laplace transform of f of x and plus d Laplace transform of g of x, and you will see the proof of this result in the upcoming videos. So by using this fact we can see that taking g to be 0 and f to be 1, we can see that the Laplace transform of c will be equals to c over s. Okay, so next is it says that a subspace of complete metric space is complete if it is. So everyone we know that in a complete metric space, what does mean? That means every Cauchy sequence is convergent. So the for the subspace to be a complete which we need that every Cauchy sequence must converge in that subspace, and to convert the Cauchy sequence in that subspace we need that every limit point of a sequence must be in it, and which says that a subspace must be closed. So the answer will be closed. So detailed proof you can see in the upcoming videos as well. Okay, so now we see the third question, which says that no pair dense set is what? So everyone we know that the Q is dense set, R is but this is not nowhere dense. So A is an option which says that this is a nowhere dense set. So here it says that this summation, that is an infinite series, is given, and it says first option is that converge to 1 by 3, converge to minus 1 by 3, diverges, and none of these. So if we look the nth term of this sequence, which is an, that is n plus 1 over 3 n plus 1, then what would be the limit of this nth term? So we can say that limit of this nth term will be equals to 1 by 3. And by divergence criteria, that if the nth term of the series is converging to a some constant other than 0, which then the series is diverges. So it means that option is diverges. Okay, and so number of units in the positive integers are what? So we know that the units are those numbers that has a multiplicative inverse, and we have this positive integer. So we are having an integer, so we can see that one has a multiplicative inverse which is 1, which makes it 1, and another one is minus 1, and it has a multiplicative inverse to be minus 1, which is equals to 1. So how many units will be in this? So here the number of units will be 2. And the ninth question says that partial order sets have the following property. So we know that the partial order set is transitive, so this property will hold in this partial order set. So next one is that Wronskian of these three functions will be what? So we know that the Wronskian of the function is what? This is f, g, and h. These are the functions. Then we have to put here derivatives, the first derivative, and then the second derivative, and then we have to compute the determinant, and if we will compute the determinant of it, then we will get, so here we get 2 e raised to power 6x. You can find by yourself as well. So the answer will be that C option. Okay. So now we look the next questions. So in the next question, we can see this says that if z square minus z and z belongs to complex number is a conformal transformation at 1 by 2, obviously. So answer will be 0.50. So the next question is, let Q be a definite symmetric matrix of n by n order matrix. Then the diagonal will be actually, this is a symmetric, so it makes it Q. And the next one is, what is the so answer for the 12 will be A. And for the 13, what is the Fourier transform of odd function? The Fourier transform of odd function is 0 because of that integral that is minus infinity to infinity. And so if this is an odd function, so it will make it 0. And if z equals to L, then the principal value of natural log of z is what? This is a B option, that is pi L by 4. And the next one, this is a rank nullity theorem, and which says that that will be equals to number of columns, so answer will be that B. So here we look the next questions. So it says that if the matrix A have eigenvalues 1 and 9, then what will be its norm? And we know that the norm is defined as the product of the eigenvalues, so answer will be 9. And number of odd vertices in a graph will always be even, and number of primes less or equals to 23, and we can compute count them, and they are 9, so answer will be 9. And here it says that 3x is congruent to 4 mod 5. So to look that what will be the answer, so if I put x equals to 1, then this is 3 with mod 5 will not be under mod, this is not congruent to 4. And if I put 3 into this, so that will make 9, and 9 mod 5, we know that this is what? 9 mod 5. Actually, it means that 9 divided by 5, and what would be the remainder? So remainder we get 4. So this is 4. So it means that this x equals to 3 satisfy this one. So that answer will be this. And here here is a second order differential equation given, and so as I have say that I have said that this is a second order, so the order will be second, and the degree, because there is a y square is happening, so degree is also 2, so that's answer is 2 comma 2. So that's it. Thank you, and we will see in the next videos two more questions about the PPSC exam, and we will see more MCQs as well, and we will discuss them. Thank you.